Good morning, children. This is your MSc book, Standard 4. Welcome back to our online classes. Chapter 9, Faith in God. Here is one story. Let us see. Majbuti Singh was the king of a small kingdom called Kamjorpur. He was a good and kind ruler, so his subjects loved him a lot. He believed in peace and always took care of his people. Majbuti Singh was the king of a small kingdom called Kamjorpur, and he was a good and kind ruler, and all loved him, and he believed in peace and always took care of his people. Most citizens of King Kamjorpur were poor farmers, but everyone was happy because there was a king who made sure no one in the kingdom ever slept without food. Majbuti Singh had given strict instructions that no taxes should be demanded from people, and most of the citizens of Kamjorpur were poor farmers, and they were happy because the king who made sure no one in the kingdom ever slept without food. Nobody will sleep without food. And Majbuti Singh have given one strict instructions, that is no task. They will not give any task. The rule was that each person would donate according to his or her income for welfare of the country. They will not give any task or any demand, but they will donate according to their income for the welfare of the country. The wealthier people happily paid more, and the poorer people paid less. And those who are rich, they will pay more, and those who are poor, they will pay less. The very poor ones who were not able to pay were provided food and other necessary things by the state from the money received from the wealthy people. And those people are very poor. They were not able to pay, so they are providing food and other necessary things by the state from the money received from the wealthy people. And Majbuti Singh was a firm believer of God. And this king, Majbuti Singh, he is firm believer of God. He has deep belief to God. He thought that God would always take care of him if he took care of his subjects. And he believed that God will always take care of him if he will take care of his peoples. One year, Kamjorpur received excessive rainfall, and all standing crops were damaged. Farmers were badly affected, and there was extreme scarcity in the kingdom. Most of Kamjorpur's wealth went into feeding the people, but there still were some who were hungry. And one year they received rainfall, and it damaged the crops, and the farmers were badly affected because in that kingdom the people of the kingdom, they were most farmer, Most of them are farmer. And that year they lost their crops and they were so hungry. The king did not know how to feed his subjects. He was very sad. Sitting in a hall, he was praying to God to send some relief from somewhere so that his people did not have to suffer. Then, at that time, the king was very sad and he was sitting one hall and he was praying to God to send him some relief so that the people will not get suffer. Right then a messenger came to the hall and announced that a few people had come to see the king. Suddenly at the time the messenger came to the hall and he announced that a few people had come to meet king. Majbuti Singh went to meet those people and found that they were shabbily dressed, poor looking people. But they did not look hungry or sad. "What can I do for you, my dear man?" the king asked. And the king went to meet the people. Those people came to meet king and they were shabbily dressed and poor looking people, but they did not look hungry or sad. Then king asked, "What can I do for you, my dear man?" Okay, then one of the visitors said, "Sir, we are the fishermen of Kamjarpur. We know that the country is suffering. Heavy rains have damaged crops and most of the country has become poor. But our lakes and rivers are full of fish. They have increased in the rainy season." Then one of the visitors said, "Sir, we are the fishermen of Kamjarpur and we know that the country is suffering due to heavy rains and the heavy rains damaged crops and most of the country has become poor. But our lakes and rivers are full of fish and they have increased in the rainy season," said one of the visitor. Then another said, "If you allow us, we would like to sell fish to the neighboring kingdoms and bring a lot of wealth. That money could be used to feed the farmers and other poor people." Then another said, "If you allow us, we would like to sell the fish and we will bring you money and that money help us to feed other farmers." Then Majbuti Singh's eyes lit up. He happily allowed the fishermen to sell fish in other kingdoms and they got so much money by selling fish that the king's treasury again became full, even after providing for all of Kamjarpur's people. And the Majbuti Singh allowed the visitors to sell the fish and then they got so much money from that selling, and again the treasury of king was full. And after providing for all of Kamjarpur's people also, they got plenty of money. Moral of the story is, some situations may seem difficult sometimes, but God is always there to help. If you do your duties honestly, you will always win. God always finds a way to make your life easy. Always keep faith in God. Life is a mix of easy and though times. Enjoy the easy times. Stay strong during the tough ones. God may test your strength sometimes. Those who prove that they have a strong will are always awarded ultimately. So, sometimes the situation may seem difficult, but we have to be faithful to God and we have to be faithful our duties. If we do faithfully our duties, then God will show us care and love. God always help us. So, dear children, we have to be faithful to our God and to our duties. Thank you.